Selamat pagi, nama saya Lea, Ericka. Today we are in the Betawi Cultural Village in the city center of Jakarta.
That's a so beautiful village. You have to come to visit with us. There is so many interesting things to do, and there is some people who will explain you what's the culture about Jakarta.
Right, there is a museum inside and it's really nice. You can learn a lot about the culture.
So much.
I think if you're in holidays, you should definitely come and visit. Do you agree with me?
Yeah, of course, and you have to follow us on the social media about Betawi Cultural Village. So go to Facebook and join us.
Ta-da!
Ta-da!
Minuman tradisional khas Betawi.
Betawi traditional drink.
La boisson traditionnelle de Betawi.
Bir peletok. Cheers!